Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I want to walk you through how to use animated wallpaper on your Opera.js. As you can see, my wallpaper here is animated. You can see this cat's tail keeps moving, so it's animated. Then if you look at the screen here, you see it keeps flashing. So to be able to get this, the first thing you need to do is from the home menu, click on the gear icon. In case you don't see the settings, which is the gear icon, click on the three dots at the bottom and then make sure settings is turned on here, and then you click on the gear icon. And then you go to basic. You can see themes, so you can see I'm using this theme right now. So how I got it is here. This is a theme, so you can see all wallpapers. So this is the one I'm using. In case you can find it, just quickly click on this arrow here until see anyone you see with the play like this on it is animated. So you can choose the one you want. So it's as simple as that. Also, if you're using the Aurora wallpaper, for example, this is the Aurora wallpaper. Now, if I want to, let me go to it, just click on Team Gallery, which is Aurora wallpaper. When you open it, you see animated, so you can leave it on here. If it's not on, if it was off before, just simply turn it on. Now, I know that animated wallpapers can affect your system performance, so you can disable it if you want your system to not feel so slow. It depends on you. So let's go back, and I want to go back to my animated wallpaper. So it's as simple as that. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.